PowerPoint Challenge Activity number 1. After reviewing the Microsoft PowerPoint 2013 slide presentation that you created for your after-school tutoring, you decide to enhance the presentation using a design theme. You also decide to add speaker notes to help you deliver the presentation effectively. Open the Term Project 2 _ student data file to enhance the presentation. Number 1. Apply the Facet Design Theme to the presentation. To add the design theme, you click the Design tab. In the Themes grouping, you select the Facet Design Theme. As you hover over them, you'll see a pop-up that tells you the name of the design theme, and we want Facet. And we've just applied that theme to all of the slides. Number 2, type your first and last name in the subtitle placeholder on slide 1. So we're working with slide 1. This is our title placeholder. This is our subtitle placeholder. If you triple click, you can add your name. Step 3. Move slide 2 to appear after slide 5. So we're clicking on slide 2, and we're going to click and we're going to drag slide 2 after slide 5. Step 4. Add speaker notes to the new slide 5 to remind students that they should study for 30 to 45 minutes at a time. So this is our slide 5. This is the section where we can add speaker notes. So I can see a little bit better, I'm going to increase the size of the speaker notes and add the note. Step 5. Delete slide 6. To delete slide 6, I just click on slide 6, and on the keyboard, I press the delete button. Step 6. Insert a new title-only slide after slide 5. The title should be Any Questions. To insert a new slide, I want to insert a new slide at the bottom to make a new slide 6. This is where I'm going to insert the new slide. So I go Home, New Slide, and because I want a title only slide, I look at all of the available layouts and select Title Only. The title should be Any Questions. Step 7. Save the presentation as Term Project 2 _ complete. And I'm going to save this under my documents. So File Save As. Term Project 2. Change the name. Complete. And I'm just going to add my name just to make sure that it is completely separate from someone else's. It's under my document. It's a PowerPoint presentation, and now I'm going to click Save. Step 8. Print slide 5 as a notes page. Make sure that the notes show. So this is what I want to print, only slide 5, so that way these notes will show. So I'm going to go to the Backstage view, go down to Print. Under the settings, this is where we're going to work. I only want slide 5, so I'm going to click in the box where it says slides, only select slide 5. Next section, then I'm going to click the notes page. So now I see just my slide 5 and the notes. I don't have a color printer, so I'm going to choose to print it grayscale. Just to make my slide identifiable, I'm going to add a header with my name on it. And then I'm going to print. Step 9, print the slideshow with 6 slides per page in black and white. So I'm going to go back to the Backstage view again. This time I want all of the slides printed. So instead of a custom range, I'm going to print all of the slides. Instead of the notes page, I want 6 slides. I'm going to change the grayscale now to pure black and white as the instructions denote. And then I'm going to change the header and footer and add the date. And my header already has my name. Step 10, which I just did, says add today's date on the handout as well as your first and last name as a header. And I've done those. And then print. Step 11, staple the sheet and turn in.